Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch screen problem on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about the application of REDnote and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.